Once upon a time, a young man named Kumar lived in a peaceful village nestled between lush green hills and a serene river. Kumar was restless and dissatisfied with his life. He believed true happiness and fulfillment were always out of reach, lying far away. Driven by this belief, he embarked on a journey to find the life he sought. Kumar traveled for days, crossing rivers, climbing mountains, and wandering through dense forests. Despite his tireless efforts, he couldn't find the elusive happiness he sought. One day, exhausted and disheartened, he arrived at a small monastery where a wise and renowned Buddhist monk resided. Hoping to find answers, Kumar approached the monk and shared his story. Master, I have traveled far and wide seeking a better life. Yet no matter how far I go, I cannot find the happiness I desire. Please, can you help me? Kumar pleaded. With a gentle smile, the monk invited Kumar to sit beside him under the shade of a large Bodhi tree. Kumar, let me tell you a story, the monk began. Many years ago, there was a young man very much like you. His name was Ananda. Ananda believed that happiness lay in distant lands beyond the horizon. He decided to leave his home and set out on a journey to find this happiness. He walked through villages, cities, and vast landscapes, asking everyone he met if they knew where happiness could be found, but no one had the answer he sought. One day, after months of fruitless searching, Ananda stumbled upon a white sheikh meditating by a river. Desperate and weary, Ananda approached the sheikh and poured out his heart. "Well, sheikh, I have traveled far and wide, seeking happiness, but I cannot find it. Can you tell me where it is?" The sheikh looked at Ananda with kind eyes and said, "Ananda, happiness you seek is not far. It has always been within you, waiting to be discovered. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and look within." Confused but hopeful, Ananda followed the sheikh's advice. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and turned his gaze inward. As he focused on his inner self, he noticed the simple joys and contentment that had always been present but overlooked. He realized that happiness was not in distant lands but within his heart. With this newfound understanding, Ananda returned to his village. He embraced his life with a fresh perspective, finding joy in the present moment and appreciating the small blessings around him. The happiness he had sought was always there within his reach. The monk paused and looked at Kumar. "Kumar, like Ananda, the life you seek is not far. It is closer than you think. True happiness and fulfillment come from within. You don't need to travel to distant places to find it. Instead, look inward and appreciate the present moment." Kumar listened intently, feeling a sense of clarity and peace over him. He realized that he had been so focused on finding happiness elsewhere that he had neglected the beauty and joy in his own life. With gratitude in his heart, Kumar thanked the monk and decided to return to his village. As Kumar walked back, he noticed the flowers' vibrant colors, the river's soothing sound, and the sun's warmth on his skin. He felt a deep sense of connection and contentment. The life he had sought was not far. It was always within him, waiting to be embraced. From that day on, Kumar practiced mindfulness and gratitude. He found joy in the present moment and appreciated the simple blessings in his life. His restless longing was replaced with a profound sense of peace and fulfillment. So Kumar's story reminds us that the life we seek is not far away. Happiness and fulfillment are not in distant places but within our own hearts. By looking inward and appreciating the present moment, we can find the true joy that we seek. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this story resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe. For more tales of wisdom and inspiration, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, remember that the life you seek is closer than you think.